So here at a local mill today, another one that's gone down. It's kind of a crying shame. Apparently some of the people I know here I talked to said things are going pretty cheap. These haven't gone yet, but it's a full operational sawmill. Forklifts, rolling stock, lumber, sawmills, big mill in the back, pedestal mount log loaders, in-feed decks, debarkers, everything. So it's a good day if you need stuff, bad day if you own it. It's the date, today's June 16th, so big Komatsu. I videoed this one before, did a walk around. Sold American PC 400. Alright, that's today's doings. Yeah, this is how ghost towns are made. So it's like they just stopped at 5 to 4 one day. Lumber's last piles didn't even get banded or strapped or finished. Just closed the doors. Kind of sad. Here's inside the mill. I guess those are probably 52 or 56 inch blades. Lot 370 trim saw. I got a bit of a soft spot for sawmills. Certainly built some stuff for them, and Dad and I ran one, had a little crew. Sure sad though, Washington, Oregon, BC, Alaska, just they're going down fast. Just not right. It's a 3-block head carriage. Over and under saw. Sawyer's cab. So a guy makes big money running one of these. This is where it all starts, right here. And pedestal mount. Feeding the deck. Chip hoppers. Here's at the back of the mill on the intake side. Fraser River's right up, so the water's crazy high. 6, 7, 8 feet higher than normal. And because we're here, there's a Washington track loader. I might do a little walk around of it. I did one a long time ago last year on it, a full walkthrough, but it's doing what all track loaders do, growing weeds, getting older.